Hey friends, today I am back to give you the inside scoop on the next transitional phase with Heartfelt Creations. If you and I have not met, my name is Emma Lou and I'm so grateful to be with you. If you have been one of our crafting friends that has been asking the questions, you've been patiently or impatiently waiting for an update, you've seen the little notification on our website that the next update is coming in March, here we are, and I'm super excited to be able to share the next update with you. But before I dive into that, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love, your support, your patience, and your understanding as we have navigated through uncharted waters as a family, figuring out solutions as we have personal changes that we wanted to implement, with my mom wanting to retire and my husband and I wanting to pursue some goals with our sons. It really means, okay, we want to do something different as seasons of life change. And I'm sure many of you have gone that journey yourself in different ways as your kids grow up, you have different things you're navigating through in your work, your personal life, and careers, right? So today I am excited to share that we have figured out some solutions based on your feedback and based on what our goals have been as a family of transitioning Heartfelt Creations. So with that, March will be the last month you can purchase the physical stamps, dies, and paper pads. But with that being said, in April, we are going to launch and roll out a digital model. What does that mean for you? That means that in April, we will have digital stamps and dies available, and then the paper pads will roll out as a digital format as well, based on your requests. You've been asking for it, and we've been asking ourselves the question, how can we make that happen? So the papers will roll out a little bit later, but just bear with me. I have a sheet in front of me with all the little details and the nitty-gritties so I don't get my dates and percentages and details mixed up. So here we go. With the launch of the digital products, we will have those available for you, but also have about 20 plus SKUs of basic crafting essentials available that we can ship to you, okay? What does that look like? That means like your basic papers and envelopes and those things that we run out of as crafters, so it'll be around 20 to 30 SKUs. Those will still be shipped physically. So what does this mean for you? This means that during the month of March, you have access to buying the physical stamps, dies, and paper pads, shaping molds that we still have in stock. Those will be priced individually at 50% to 80% off. The price you see individually on these is the price you pay. There won't be additional discounts on top of what you see. Once March 31st comes, those products will go night-night. They will leave the website. The website will go into maintenance mode on April 1st. That means on April 1st, the website, you'll still have access to like the free video and galleries and all that stuff, but you won't be able to place orders on April 1st. The website will go into maintenance mode to make all the changes that need to happen to launch the digital products. The goal is that on April 9th, with the help of our tech team and systems and everything going as planned, so hold that date loosely because that stuff can go haywire, right? God bless technology, but sometimes it doesn't go as planned. But our goal is April 9th, we will roll out the new website with the digital products, okay? What does this mean for you? Right now, all you need to do is scoop up all the physical products that you are wanting for yourself. Like if you're like, oh, you would be so sad if you'd miss out on the items we still have in stock, get them now. Don't wait around. The stock in our warehouse is dwindling. It's really, really low. There's so many SKUs, the quantities are just like, wonder whose names are on these. So if you are an insider member, you can stack your 20% discount on top of the 50 to 80% as well, which is phenomenal. You get your free shipping and all the benefits that come with your insider membership. If you're not an insider member, I highly recommend becoming one. It's $12.99 a month. So that is very, very beneficial for you when you're buying those products. Plus you have access to all the online classes. Those are valued at $30. They're $2, they're 2 hours in length. And there's over 50 of them that you have access to, which is amazing. Speaking of the insider membership, if you are an insider member or you aren't one yet, you'll really want to pay attention to this part. The insider membership will continue, okay? And this is what you will get with the insider membership. You will get a 40% discount on all digital items. So imagine, being able to access and purchase a digital download of a stamp image, a digital download of a decorative die that you can cut out with your machine, or having access to those paper pads. The digital will have elements from the paper pads that are all you need to do is cut them out. I'm so excited for you for that. It'll make some beautiful, quick and easy cards. With that, you will get 40% off the digital price. You will get 20% discount on the physical crafting basics that we ship to you, okay? And you get free shipping on those items if you're in the US. If you're international, you get 20% discount on your shipping fees. So you will still get that discount as well. And with this, you will still get free access to all the online classes that we have in our class vault. There's over 50. They're all valued at $30 each. They're 2 hours in length, and the valuable content in there, I have shared my heart crafting experience in there that is worth its weight in gold. With this, the insider membership takes on a little bit of a different twist. Because of the insider membership is also why we'll be able to continue to pay for the systems and the tech support it takes to operate a website that creates such a great user experience. So it will be a group crafting effort to keep the website open, and that will happen through your insider membership. So not only will you get all the benefits of what I just communicated, but your membership will also keep our website open, okay? And as long as the memberships support that, the website will stay open. If the memberships drop at any point, that is our indicator that we will shut the website down completely. So it will be a crafting community effort to keep the website open with the systems and the tech support it takes to maintenance that, to create a great user experience, to access all those free video galleries and content that we have launched over the years. My commitment to you is still bringing content monthly through videos on social media and through your emails to really inspire art from the heart. And I am so excited because that is what I personally love to do. That is my passion, is teaching you how to create art from the heart. And we will do that together. I will switch gears a little bit in teaching more how to use your digital images that you can print off. I won't be teaching how to use your digital machines. I will be teaching how to utilize your digital downloads to create cards, and you can use that inspiration to, if you have the actual stamps and dies, you'll still be able to use those alongside with it, which is going to be so much fun. I feel like I'm growing up together with you. Some of you have seen me since I've been 11 years old, and we have gone through many miles, many twists and turns throughout our seasons in the different seasons of life. So I'm excited for that. Let's see, is there anything else I need to communicate that I missed? So again, you will have access to purchasing the physical stamps, dies, papers, and shaping molds until March 31st. Once that date hits at midnight Eastern time, everything goes night-night. The website is going to go into maintenance mode so that our tech team and tech support can flip everything on the website to create the digital options. The digital options, you will see things rolling out over time, okay? Not everything is going to be on at one time because we have a team committed to making those digitally accessible in a way that you have a great user experience, and that will take time. You'll first start seeing the rollout of some stamps and some collections. There will not be new artwork. Linda has retired. She's the one that came up with the creative vision ideas along with a team of artists, but we will not be launching new artwork. We'll be going back into our vault and making those available digitally. So if you miss some of these items throughout the years, this is your chance to get those and have it in a digital format. And if you've been an international crafter and you've been like, oh my gosh, I want my hands on this stuff, but you haven't had the option to get it physically, this will be your chance as well. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for how gracious you have been in trusting the process and navigating through these uncharted waters with us. It's something we've never done before, but one thing that has made it possible is your patience with us, an internal team that has been close-knit and working together to look at solutions and options that make the goals of Linda retiring and our goals as a family as well a reality, and still bring inspiration to the crafting community. And I could not be happier with that. So I know for some of you, it has been, you'll be sad because you're like, oh my gosh, I am I just want the stamps and dies. And I understand with that, we will continue to offer, the creative inspiration behind images that you have grown to love, that you might already have in your craft room, which I'm so excited about. So the Insider membership is where it's going to be at. That will be available for $12.99 a month. Once the website is back with the digital model and everything like that, we will again start offering a yearly membership to that so that you get some months for free, which makes a lot of sense if you are a crafter that knows that you like the creative inspiration monthly and throughout the year. So I can't wait for our journey together, even as it transitions. So cheers to getting those last Heartfelt Creations items that are your favorites in the physical stamps, dies, paper pads, and shaping molds. And just so you know, if there's anything on the website that there is no discount on, that is an indicator that that will be part of the 20 to 30 SKUs that we will continue to carry. I'm sure that there will be questions that you have. If you do have them, you can ask those right here on social media, via email, or you can call customer care as well, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for being part of the Heartfelt Creations crafting community, and cheers to transitions and embracing new things together. I can't wait to see what we create together as we continue.